Preposition, Part 2, Current Patterns and Correct Usage. Let's continue exploring prepositions with real-life usage and common patterns. In this part, we'll go deeper into combinations, phrases, and corrections. Mastering prepositions is essential for accurate and fluent English. From direction to description, they connect your ideas clearly. Let's get started. Recap: what are prepositions? Let's quickly recap what prepositions are. They're words that link nouns or pronouns to other parts of a sentence. They usually express direction, time, place, cause, or possession. Examples include on, at, with, by, under, and about. They help clarify relationships in space and meaning. Prepositions of direction/movement. Let's understand prepositions of direction and movement. These show motion or a change in position. Into shows movement inside, like she walked into the room. Onto shows movement to a surface, he jumped onto the table. They make actions more precise. Compound prepositions. Let's look at compound prepositions. They're formed by combining simple words, like according to, due to, or because of. These are commonly used in formal or written English. For example, due to rain, the match was cancelled. They often explain reason, condition, or result. Prepositional phrases. Let's explore prepositional phrases. These include a preposition, its object, and any modifiers. Examples are on the table, under the old bridge, or in front of the door. They work like adjectives or adverbs in a sentence. These phrases give detail and structure. Verb plus preposition combinations. Let's talk about verb and preposition combinations. Some verbs require specific prepositions, like listen to, believe in, or wait for. For example, she listens to music. Saying listen music is incorrect. These combinations must be memorized and used correctly. Adjective plus preposition combinations. Let's move to adjective and preposition pairs. Adjectives often combine with specific prepositions. For example, afraid of, good at, angry with, interested in. Correct, he is good at math. Incorrect, good in math. Watch for small changes that affect meaning. Noun plus preposition combinations. Let's now look at noun and preposition combinations. These are fixed expressions commonly used in English. Examples include, advantage of, solution to, reason for, cause of. For example, the cause of the problem was unknown. Using the right pair makes your sentence sound natural. Prepositions with gerunds. Let's understand how prepositions work with gerunds. A gerund is a verb plus ing that acts like a noun. Prepositions are always followed by the ing form, not infinitives. Example, she is afraid of falling, he succeeded in winning. Never say to win after a preposition. Common preposition mistakes. Let's finish with some common mistakes in preposition usage. Don't say discuss about, just say discuss the topic. Say married to him, not married with him. And it's good at cooking, not good in cooking. Mastering these patterns improves both accuracy and fluency. Let's wrap up our session with a quick thank you. We've now seen real-life patterns, fixed phrases, and correction rules. Prepositions are small but powerful tools in fluent grammar. Keep practicing the correct combinations. And visit us at hegsdc.com to continue learning.